To be honest, I didn't do anything different. When you're playing on a pitch like that, we've spoken this many times before that you need to have an intent. You need to look to score runs as well because you can't just keep blocking. As we saw, odd ball might just turn, odd ball might just skid onto the stumps if you play for the turn. So it's important to keep that intent and try and use your feet, try and do as many things as possible to stay ahead of the bowler's mindset, because it's very important when you're playing on a pitch which has a lot to offer to the bowlers. You just need to be slightly ahead of the bowlers at times and need to make sure that you try and find ways to score runs. So all I was thinking was trying to find ways to score runs. My thought or my intent was not to survive. My intent was there to try and score runs as well while respecting the good balls. So that's all I tried to do. The pitch was it was an interesting one. Odd ball was, like I said, odd ball was just coming in and some was taking turns. So when you're batting on a wicket like that, you need to have a clear mindset, and which probably I think I did until I played that sweep shot in the first inning. Yeah, I think to be honest, yes, it came to the bat a little more faster than the normal red ball, and it has got to do more with the conditions. In the evening, we all know it gets slightly the temperature goes down maybe a degree or two, and plus the dew factor as well. But again, all in all, I think the pace of the pink ball is slightly quicker than the red ball. So it is something that we need to adjust as quickly as possible, and understand what we need to do whenever we play the pink ball test match in India. It is going to behave like that. We've played. This is our second pink ball test in India. The first one we played against Bangladesh was a completely different conditions. There was a lot more grass on the pitch and a lot of carry. And when we play outside India, it's more assisted to the seamers, we pretty much had no idea what it's going to do to the spinners. So it was a good learning for us to understand. Okay, this is the pace of the pink ball. Normal ball, when you play the red ball, it doesn't come so quick to the bat. But again, we need to understand. And whenever we play the next one, we need to understand that we need to adjust. We need to do slight adjustment when we play the pink ball. No, Akshar was simply brilliant. I mean, we saw just coming out from nowhere, in the squad is never easy, and to perform as well is never easy. First game he was out injured, he was slightly down, but then he came back, bowled very well in Chennai, and then bowled very well here as well. He understands the conditions really well. He knows how to vary the pace and what lines to bowl, which is very important as a bowler. To understand your line to the right hander, to the left hander is very important. And I think what he did brilliantly in this game was he made the batter play most of the balls, which is always important on a wicket like that, which you never know which one is going to turn, which one is going to come straight. So on a wicket like that, it is important to bowl stump to stump, and I think he did that pretty well. Like I said, it all goes to his skill set. He's got solid skill set, bowls little wider from the crease and slightly slingy action as well. So it makes batsmen's eye line very difficult whether to leave or play. So that is something that makes him very special. That skill set that he has. Honestly speaking, I mean, if you look at the entire dismissal of the 30 wickets that has been fallen, I mean, I don't see anything that pitch did. The batsman didn't apply the technique. It is from our side also, not just them but us also. Some of the shots as a batting unit we played were not up to the standards. And again, I mean, the pitch was completely fine. It seems a very normal pitch to me. It is a typical Indian wicket where it'll turn, odd ball might just come in. That is what the Indian wicket is all about. And we just made mistakes from our side, having to understand that which shots we need to play, which ball was coming in, whether to play cut shot or not, whether to go over the top or not, whether to sweep or not. So those are the things you need to understand when you're playing on a pitch like that. In Chennai we saw every ball was turning from the rough and all that. There was no rough here. Akshar got most of his wicket, which was just skidding onto the pads, onto the stumps, and the batsman missed the line. That's all. Very simple, to be honest. We did the same. I mean, some of the shots as a batting unit we also played were not, up to the skills that we have. But it's a good learning. We can understand from this that it was a ping ball. We haven't played spin so much with the ping ball, so it was a good learning for us as a batting unit. Whenever we play the next, I think we'll be very well equipped to handle that.